I'm Susan. Today I am making sausage muffins for Muffin Monday. They are really good. My husband loves them. I've made these for years. They came from a friend of mine, and so I'm excited to share them with you. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm sorry, I completely forgot to film the ingredients, but all you'll need is 1 pound of sausage browned and drained. I used hot sausage. You'll need 2 cups of biscuit mix and a can of cheddar cheese soup. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees, and you want to spray a 12 count muffin tin. Now all you have to do is add your sausage and your cheddar cheese soup to your biscuit mix, mix it well, and drop it into your pan. Now you'll want to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes. It took about 17 minutes for mine. And here they are. They're one of our favorites, and I don't make them nearly often enough. They're so easy. Just the 3 ingredients. They remind me of my sausage balls. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Enjoy this Muffin Monday. And until next time, bye y'all.